Welcome to activity 4. This activity is about improvising motifs and evaluating whether these motifs are promising, are good to keep developing and use further in my improvisation, or perhaps they are not that memorable and I don't need to revisit them or keep working with them. Before we get into the activity itself, I would like to review some guidelines, some strategies about motif construction. So the first thing to be aware of when I'm improvising my motifs is the pulse. So I'm paying extra attention to the steady beat, and I know that it has to be 3 or 4 notes long. Before I start the motif, it's helpful to have an idea what pitch material I'm going to use. So let's say we can say this is my beat and I'm going to use the key of D minor, but within the minor I'm only going to use 1, 3, and 2, for example. Any combination of those notes. So I'm already narrowing down the scope. And because I know that that's all the notes I have chosen to work with, I cannot carry on improvising going in all directions. I can add a few more notes rhythmically, but no more pitches. And if I stick to that rule that I made for myself, only those 3 notes, most likely the motif will be short and concise. So a good exercise is to decide on which notes to use within the key and make a number of motifs using those 3 notes only. For example, we can take it a step further and add one more thing, which is, can I sing the motif up front before? Or at least, can I sing the rhythm of the motif? So, dun, 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 dun. De, do, de. Dun, 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 dun. And so on and so forth. This is very helpful because it prevents my fingers doing their own thing. In this case, I am doing what my ear and my musical mind wants.